Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline, and we just finished completing another 2020 Model S Performance that comes to us all the way from Northern California. Not that far, but we did arrange transport to bring it from NorCal to SoCal. Now let me share with you what we did. Well, this car started off as just a beautiful black Model S, but this customer had a vision. He wanted everything to have a satin matte visual appeal, and you know what? We embraced his vision and we gave him exactly what he wanted. Starting off with the 3M Satin Dark Gray film, absolutely stunning. Has that really sporty look to it. It enhances the lines of the Model S. In the shade, it looks like kind of like a matte gray. In the sun, it's got the satin, almost a little sparkle visual appeal to it. I love it. Very popular film. So we wrapped the complete exterior using this film. Continuing with the satin theme, we did a Satin Black Chrome Delete. So all the chrome trim on the car has been wrapped in 3M Satin Black. Very popular. We've talked about it many times. So here's where we did something different. He loves the color yellow, and he wanted to incorporate a little bit of that color into the design of the car. So we painted the front and rear Tesla T emblems in satin yellow, as well as the brake calipers. I mean, how cool is that? Yellow brake calipers, but with a satin finish. The Tesla letters are reapplied on it. And then let's talk about these really cool wheels. Our best-selling wheel, the TS115 ultra lightweight, 33% lighter weight than the 21-inch turbines from Tesla, fit perfectly on the Michelin Super Sports tires that come with a performance Model S from Tesla. So now we've got a much sportier look. It's also in a satin finish, and it completes what we're trying to achieve. Now let's talk about our gloss carbon fiber sports package. This is really a must-have in my opinion for any Model S because it really makes things a little bit sportier. I love carbon fiber, starting off with the lower front apron, slightly accentuated, giving that very sporty look. And then as we move to the rear of the car, you'll notice that the lower rear diffuser area, which is normally black from Tesla, is actually gloss carbon fiber, as well as our best-selling exterior accessory for the Model S is our gloss carbon fiber trunk wing spoiler. Before we go ahead and wrap up this video, let me share with you once again how important it is to have the windows tinted on your Tesla. Our cars are beautiful and they have a lot of glass on them, and that gives an amazing driving appeal and feeling, but the sun is a killer. It affects your skin. It affects the interior of your car. But by using 3M Crystalline film, it takes care of that. It will actually help cool the interior by up to 15 degrees while providing you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and protect your interior. Thank you so much for watching, Tesla fans. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I promise you, I have so many more incredible videos coming your way soon.